In this video, we are going to be taking a look at the Customer Aging Report module. First, click on Report, Customer Report, and Customer Aging Report. Once you're here, you'll be required to fill in your preferences for the report that will be generated by the system, such as the aging date, the invoice number that the report begins with, the customer code that the report begins with, the salesman, the preview report format, and the type of customer. So let's say I want the aging date of my report to be on the 3rd of December. So I'll type in the 3rd of December over here. And for invoice number, I'll leave it as blank. And as for customer code, I want this report to be about XYZ Sandram Berhad. So I'll type in its name. And after that, I'll click on lookup. And I'll select their name. Here, I can also choose whether or not the report should be more detailed. For now, I'll leave it empty. And for salesman, in my case, I'll select all, but if you want to select the customers of a particular agent, you can click on select agent over here and make your selection. After you make your selection, the customers that appear in this customer aging report will be handled by your selected agents. So for now, I'll click on all. For preview report, I'll select crystal report for now. And for type, I'll select all. If you would like to limit the customer aging report to non-trade or trade customers, you can also do so by selecting them. And after you're done filling in everything, you can click on generate. And as you can see here, the system will generate a customer aging report for the customer XYZ Sandram Berhad. If you want to view the customer aging summary report for all customers, you can leave this customer code field blank. Now in this report, you can see the details such as the customer code, the customer name and contact, the payment for the current month and the outstanding for the current month, the aging for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days, 150 days, and over 180 days respectively, the advance, and the balance. Now, if you would like to view the transaction documents that contributed to this customer aging summary report, you can also take the show customer aging detail checkbox over here and click on generate once more. Now, as you can see, the report will now include the documents that contributed to the aging report of this customer. If you would like to download this report, you can click on the download icon over here. And if you would like to print it out, you can click on print over here. Additionally, if you would like to export this report into Excel or PDF format, you can click on the buttons over here. Export Excel data and export to Excel will allow you to export this report into an Excel format, while export to PDF will allow you to export this report into a PDF format. So that's it for the Crystal report format. Now we'll move on to the Grid View format. So I'll click on Grid View and I'll turn this off. So then I'll click on Generate. As you can see, the Grid View is slightly different than the Crystal report format. In Grid View, you can see extra columns such as PD and net balance. And if you want to view the customer's information in more detail, you can click on their customer code over here. Doing so will bring you to the customer master edit page of that particular customer where you can view and edit their information. So going back, just like the Crystal report, if you would like to view more details about the transaction documents that contributed to this customer aging report, you can take show customer aging detail over here and regenerate the report. As you can see here, the transaction documents will also appear in this report. To view more detailed information about a particular document or to make changes, you can find it in the list over here and click on its invoice number. Doing so will bring you to that particular invoice documents edit page where you can view the invoice in more detail and even edit its information. Moving back, if you would like to search for particular keywords in this report, you can utilize the search bar up here. So let's say I want to search for the keyword 05. And as you can see, the system will return to me all entries with 05 in any of their columns. Other than that, if you would like to filter the entries based on column values, you can go to your selected column header and click on the funnel icon. So let's say I select these two and click on OK. The system will filter out the entries based on my selection. Additionally, if you would like to collapse a group, you can also click on the arrow over here. And to uncollapse it, you can just click on it again. Finally, just like the Crystal report format, if you would like to export this Grid View report into Excel or PDF format, you can click on the buttons over here. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.